Good morning, guys. From previous classes, continuous we are discussing ellipse chapter. Okay, in ellipse chapter, we have discussed already the various forms of ellipse and standard form of ellipse. Okay, now the standard form of ellipse is x square by a plus y square by b equal to 1. It is a standard form of ellipse where always a less than b. Okay, now from next one we have that again we are going to see today we are going to read the ellipse exercise 4a problems. Okay, by reducing the syllabus from board of intermediate we have only one exercise from this chapter, this 4a exercise. Okay, now the first problem is find the equation of the ellipse with focus 1 comma minus 1 and eccentricity e equal to 2 by 3 and directrix as x plus y plus 2 equal to 0. Find the equation of the ellipse. Clearly they are given to find the equation of ellipse. With the focus they are given focus is 1 comma minus 1 and e equal to 2 by 3 and directrix as x plus y plus 2 equal to 0. By using those key points we have to find the equation of the ellipse. Okay, to finding the equation of the ellipse, first I am taking what they are given. The given is given focus s equal to 1 comma minus 1 and eccentricity e equal to 2 by 3 and also given directrix x plus y plus equal to 0. Clearly we know that means SP by PM equal to T. It is a conic. From this here SP square equal to E square into PM square. So S to P is the distance between the point on ellipse to focus is nothing but x minus 1 whole square plus y plus 1 whole square equal to E square means here 2 by 3 whole square and PM is perpendicular distance. So x plus y plus 2 by square root of 1 square plus 1 square, it is also whole square. Now from this there x square plus y square minus 2x and plus 2y, 1 plus 1 is 2 and this is 4 by 9 and here x square plus y square plus 4 plus and here 2xy and 2 2s are 4y and 2 2s are 4x. These are the a plus b plus c whole square and here 1 square plus 1 square root 2 whole square will be cancelled, we get only 2. So when you are doing the simplifications, so here 9 into 9x square and 9y square minus 18x and plus 18y plus 18 is equal to here 2 table we get cancel 4 by 2 times. So here 2 into x square 2x square and 2y square and plus 4xy and here 8x and here 8y and constant here 8. So when you are doing the subtraction, we will get 9x square 2x square we get 7x square and 9y square 2y square we get 7y square and here only constant value minus 4xy and here minus 18x and this 8x we will get minus 26x and plus 18y we will get this minus 18 minus 8 is plus 10y and here plus 18 and plus 8 we will get plus 10 equal to 0. So which is our required ellipse equation. This is the required ellipse equation. And coming to next problem, we have that it is clearly find the equation of the ellipse in the standard form whose distance between foci is 2 and the length of lattice rectum is 15 by 8. Now they are given distance between the foci and length of the lattice rectum. We already discussed previous classes the length. Another problem, the second problem is find the equation of ellipse in the standard form whose distance between foci is 2 and the length of lattice rectum is 15 by 2. To finding the equation of ellipse, now we are taking given length of lattice rectum, length of lattice rectum, so that is 2b square by a equal to 15 by 2 and then 15a equal to 4b square. Now here 15a equal to 4 into b square is nothing but a square into 1 minus e square. Now 15a equal to, that is 4a square minus 4a square into e square. Now 4a square minus 4 into a whole square minus 15a equal to 0. Now also given distance between the forces, distance between forces, that is 2ae equal to 2. Distance between the forces 2a equal, these to cancel where e equal to 1. Now substitute the a value above equation, we get 4a square minus 15a minus 4 equal to 0. 4a square minus 15a is equal to 0. Now when we simplify, we get only 4a plus 1 into a minus 4a is equal to 0. A minus 4a equal to 0. That is, we get here 4a into a, 4a square, 4a into minus 4a, minus 16a, and a into a. So that is minus 16a, and plus a we get minus 15a, and 1 into minus 4 is minus 4 equal to 0. So doing equal to 0, we get only a equal to 4. Now a equal to 4, we get the b value to substitute in here. So to get the b value substituting here, 15 into a is 4, so 4b square, these 4 cancel here, b square equal to 15. So therefore required ellipse, is x square by a plus y square by b equal to 1. So that is x square by 16 plus y square by 15 is equal to 1. So which is our required ellipse equation. We have another third problem. Find the equation of ellipse in standard form such that distance between forces is 8 and distance between directories is 32. They are given two key points. First one is distance between forces is 8 and distance between directories 32. Okay, now we are finding ellipse equation. To finding the ellipse equation, now given distance between forces, 2ae equal to 8. In already previous we discussed. So that is a equal to 4. A equal to 4, and distance between directrix, distance between the directrix is 2a by e equal to 32 and a equal to 16 into e. Okay, now a equal to 16 into e. Now we are using from these two values, we are going to simplification, that is a into e, both sides multiplying with e a into e and 16 into e square. Okay, a equal to 16 into e square. We know that the a value is 4 and 16 into e square. So here in 4 table we get here this time is 4. So totally 1 equal to 4 into, that is 4e square. Okay, now here e square equal to 1 by 4 and e equal to 1 by 2. So here e equal to 1 by 2. Substituting here e value we get 8. So a into 1 by 2 equal to 4 and a equal to 8. So totally we get a equal to 8. Now we know that by b equal to a square into 1 minus e square. So a square is 64, 1 minus e square is 1 by 2 whole square. So 64 into 1 minus 1 by 4. 1 minus 1 by 4. So that is 64 into 4 ones are 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 by 4. 4 table 16 times. So 16 3s are 48. So b square equal to 48. So therefore the required ellipse is nothing but x square by a plus y square by b square equal to 1. So x square by x square is nothing but 64 and y square by b square is 48 is equal to 1. So this is the third problem on ellipse.